Hey everyone, I hope your day goes well today. So this is the beginner schedule and today is the day 11 and this is 45 days schedule for IBPS Clerk 2021 and all the upcoming examinations. So this schedule is basically for beginners who do not have any idea about what to study on daily basis. Okay. So the first thing is daily current affairs, because you need to do the daily current affairs as I told you earlier also, because if you start doing daily current affairs from now on, then it is not going to give you a headache before the mains examination. And for current affairs, I suggest you to go for Affairs Cloud. I will give you the link of Affairs Cloud in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also, because the PDF like the current affair of Affairs Cloud is very good. You don't need to go anywhere after reading the current affairs of Affairs Cloud and after the quizzes from the same. Then there is math speed test and percentage level 3 questions. You have done level 2nd earlier, so today you will do level 3. Then there is 120 rules PDF. Try to read next 20 rules for 120 rules. Then there is 20 error detection questions. Try to practice 20 error detection questions, because you are reading the rules, so it will linked up. Then there is editorial plus vocabulary, then PDF of reasoning, prelims, solve, and this PDF will be from Guidely. Then there is one mains level puzzle, and Guidely is still running the discount, 50% flat discount on all the PDF courses and the mock test subscription, and extra 12% discount by using my code also. There is total 62% discount. So if you are planning to buy this Guidely PDF course or their mock test, then I suggest you to do this now, because it is available still today only and this offer will not come again. So just try to buy it, because it is available on huge discount and the PDFs are available for all the upcoming examinations, and the validity of the PDF course is like around 1 year. So don't think that it is going to available for only 50 days. No, the validity is 1 year and the questions are available in both Hindi and English, and if you get doubt then you get video solutions also, so that is very good. So that's all for today. I hope you have a wonderful day and a very productive day. Thank you.